what you, based on your experience as an artist, as a professional Yiddish musician, would you like to say to other people doing this?
Well, first of all, I think what's incredibly important is check the background, check your grammar, check your pronunciation. There is so much bad Yiddish going on, and I think it's just disrespectful. And it just upsets me and often offends me that people don't think that nobody understands. Don't think that, who cares, we can just like repeat kind of what we just heard. Take time, because it's respect to the culture and to yourself, you know, to do something that actually matters and means something, not be a parrot repeating words without meaning. I think there are a lot of people that go like, whatever, I'll just learn these words kind of on the, like, that transliterated badly, and it's sad. And I do believe that it's not, and also it's not that hard to look into it and fix it, to figure out that certain sounds sound in a certain way. You don't have to sound like a native Yiddish speaker. It's actually cute that we all have our own accents, because we come from different worlds, we come from different lands, and it's nice. But there is a level of respect that we always have to show to the culture that we're dealing with. Nobody's perfect. All of us make mistakes, you know. If you learn the language, it doesn't mean don't make mistakes. Mistakes are good. Without making mistakes, you won't learn anything. But put in the work. Figure out how to pronounce things. Figure out how to, and it's. I think if everybody did that, it would be so great. It'd be really good.